30th by Billie Eilish. Skip time! What happened on a different day? But a picture was in around the way your day must seem literally the kiss by the angels grass in snow went away. But a view in the water, you're alive. Finally guys,
Iwan pa?
natapos na namin. Oh, pero all na. Hindi na maxi-skip. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. What happened you on a different day when a big deal wanting to run away your neighbor see what a little kids play the angels grass in snow and away one of you and an older kids in a car one of you and an older guys yun. Okay na yun guys, mag-watch na lang kayo sa part 2. Maganda naman voice namin. Ay, gagawin na namin yung part 2 ngayon.